project to be like a mix of the culture. I want to show people, like, you see how Jahsee just a minute ago was talking about how, you know, oh, UK people, what the fuck can they say to us Americans and Jamaicans?
Yeah.
He made the foundation for y'all niggas to make drill. Y'all wouldn't have made drill. Drill was made because y'all didn't know how to make hip hop beats correctly. And then y'all end up tripping up on a sound and finding a sound.
I don't think so.
That's how it happened. I read history.
No, I don't think so.
They were searching for the hip hop.
They got
Them niggas couldn't rap, bro.
You gotta listen to me, Keelan.
Them niggas couldn't rap.
You can't take nothing away from them niggas. Them niggas got garage music. Garage was like a mashup. You dig? So they've been doing this shit for a long time. Garage
what
music.
Are they doing? Are they rapping? Is drill inside the genre of rap and hip hop?
All of us rapping.
Drill started in UK and went to New York.
Yeah. I know that.
That's how it burned.
Yeah, they had garage music.
Yeah.
They had garage music.
It's not a New York beat. That was a UK drill beat.
Yeah, we can't take nothing away from them niggas in UK. Cause see, they just like you said.
My point, what I'm saying is this: that wouldn't have been created if hip-hop and rap wasn't manifested by Jamaicans and Americans.
No.
That is their version of trying to bring in their version of rap and hip-hop.
So they tried
without rap and hip-hop, that wouldn't have been there.
No, yeah, you're right. Cause they got a music. They had a music named garage music. That's why they was spitting fast. Like, that's garage music.
And then, so I want to give us slow it down.
Garage music came to drill. Cause the younger kids now, they start rapping now.
Do you think this will throw the project off?
No. You got to have you have to have everything on it, man. Okay. Anything on it. You have all different styles. Yeah, music universal, man. Everything fit in, man. Every motherfucking thing in it fit in.
I got some. Hold on, let's see. was just at. They just said.
Oh, Qadada, this is godly.
Is this a? Tell me if this is something you would do too. This is like a trap one. This one?
No, the one before. That one.
This one?
Ain't one of those.
This one.
This is godly.
Go back to the next one. Now go back to the one before. Yeah, start this one.
This is godly.
Want me to send you the wave?
Email it to me.
I'll send you a week transfer.
Yeah, that's cool. Send it to Jahsee Beats at gmail.com.
Let's see the pocket in there, Jahsee. You know that's one pocket. Swing it, Jahsee. Like you know, boom, boom, right after that. Don't go too fast with it.
Right.
Is it cool? I made it swing. See it? I made it swing in between bases. They don't clash. I made sure I cut them. Jahsee.
At gmail.com.
Like that. I have to redo it.
Long driving and stretch out this blood, you know.
Really?
You can work your fuck. Stretch it. And then you do me and tell me, say, yo, man, start stretching. And I heard my tell me that the other day on the meet. And I say, yo, you exercise, but you have to stretch. Like,
Qadada, this is godly.
They're not doing the
thing in Vegas no more, the reggae thing Tropicana. The pool party type something, the rooftop. Who was that? Who was that did that? Not Cali Vibes, that was somebody.
What, Touch them thing?
Yeah.
They just have the 3-day weekend the other day, 4-day weekend. Memorial weekend.
Yeah, so they did
Caribbean link up.
Yeah.
Yeah, that shit just happened the other day. Whole weekend, me never go. Cause me never there about. Yeah, me there, yeah.
You got it.
Good on a yard fish show and the man them Skeng and Valley and them kick off.
Okay.
Yeah, you see that something there on the internet, so them a go clash. Yeah, them kick off down there right in the place, dog. Valiant go perform from early. Run down on the stage and him know say him not even perform yet. Like him fear close the show or something like that. Him not say him the hot artist. Cause by the time I reach about 10 minutes after that, cause I reach in about like 1 million motherfuckers.
So I got iPhone charger, so I can document it and shit.
But yeah. I started?
You got that lighter?
My mother-in-law just gave me some weed. I got my weed in my bag. I wasn't even going to smoke it.
What are you smoking right now? This
This was, I was smoking some good shit.
You sent it?
We have QTG management at the top.
Oh, that's you right there.
Nothing came in.
No, it's not. That's one.
Reload the Chrome and come faster. Like the Chrome button. Reload that. It pop right up.
Which one?
The one over in the corner, the actual Chrome reloader. Yeah, up there, yeah. Hit that one. Should pop up now. Yep. That's it. Click that link. Ready to download. Just let you know now the beat is exactly at 0, so it's no headroom. I didn't make no headroom. Alright.
Ooh, Qadada, this is godly.
What is your
Oh, I can line it up for you real quick if you don't mind. So we can get going.
you were at a different sample rate. Was you at 44?
Oh, what you at? 44,
I
48?
think I'm at 48.
Oh, shit.
Uh,
Go to, drop it inside of FL real quick. That's the quickest way to do it. Drop it in FL, then export
Not
it for you.
necessarily. I can just make another session.
They ain't gonna fuck with the quality, is it? On
It
that
shouldn't.
44?
If not, I'll just re-grab it.
Oh, for sure. At least get the reference going.
Some hardcore, some flexing out, just talk shit. You sound like some talk shit type vibe.
Ooh, Qadada, this is godly.
You know what BPMs it is? You know what BPM it is?
BPM?
Yeah. What is it?
I don't know, but I can line this up.
I mean, I can find it if you don't. I was just scared if you knew it.
I ain't got no silence on there, so you start to shut mine up. Oh, what thing? It should be like 105. It should be like 105. If this is drill. No. Oh, no. Like 140. Try like 140. That's it.
Ooh,
145. So, 143.
ooh, Qadada, this is godly.
That's the drill tempo. Why I ain't even think of that. Charge my laptop up.
Ooh, Qadada, this is godly.
Talking money, what you talking about? Something I don't know. I'll say something better about that. Might be my cadence. Woo! What's that? Yeah! Woo! What was that? Woo! Yes, bro. That's all. Yeah. That's hard.
that's the kind of nasty thing. Yeah. You. Yo. 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 Yeah. Yo. Testing 1 3. Yo. Mic check 1 3. Mic check 1 3. Yeah. Mic check 1 3. Yo. Yeah, man, just fix up the headphone. Yeah. Check 1 3. Testing 1 3. Testing 1 3. None of them boy that are bad like we. Inna the road like every day. We will never go away. Inna the road like every day. I'm nah, change it up. You know the road like every day. You know the road like every day. You know the road like every day. Yep. You like that? Okay. We will never. You know the road like every day. When you work, you must get paid. We will never go away. It's like tonight today. We never stray. Every day. When you work, you must get paid. Bye. Yeah. You know the road like every day. When you work, you must get paid. All around today, but man, we never stray. You know the road like every day. When you work, you must get paid. We will never go away. We bad man, we never stray. Lock in the place, we afraid. Never way. We bad man, we never stray. Lock in the place, we know. Lock in the place, we know we not stray. In the place, we know we not stray. Lock in the place, we never face. Lock in the place, we never face. In the road like every day. When you work, you must get paid. Every day, never stray. Lock in the place. Bring it from top. How them boy them man? You know him? Nobody know them, you know. SMS say Qadada. Jahsee! We will never again. In the road like every day. We will never go away. From your work you must get paid. Real bad man we never stray. Like in the place of faith. Bring it again. Alright that. How them boy man? You know him? We shall now know him. Tell him move from your son, man. Ah! In on the road like every day. Bring it back again, again. Bring it back again, again. How them boy, man? You know him? You know him? Tell him move from your son, man. Jahsee! Qadada! We will never go away. In on the road like I... Okay, cool, like that. In on the road like that today. Whichever one come first. Real bad man we never stray. Like in the place we never face. We will never. In on the road every day. Yeah. In on the road like every day. Real bad man we never stray. When you work you must get paid. Like in the place we never face. Bring it now, Jahsee. I'm just going freestyle it. Whichever one come first. How them boy, man? You know him? You know him? No, know him. Tell him move from here, someone. Ah! In the road like every day. We will never go away. When you work you must get paid. Real bad man we never stray. Like in the place we never face. In the road like every day. When you work you must get paid. We will never go away. Real bad man we never stray. Like in the place we never face. Let me hear it real quick, Jahsee. In the road like every day. We will never go away. When you work you must get paid. Real bad man we never stray. Like in the place we never face. In the road like every day. When you work you must get paid. We will never go away. Real bad man we never stray. Like in the place we never face. Jahsee, how now want to do it? You know, I'm going to double it from now and go and then, or just leave it for now? Alright, let me double it then, cause I don't know, you want forward after this, after the chorus? So you want it? Okay. 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 Alright. Kick it from top then, Jahsee. I me just swing it and then we double it after that. Give me a light, bro. Let me see a light really quick. So you say like chat, like couple, no, you can take it back to Brian, you're gonna need it. You say like chat couple of like 8 more bars go down there after that, huh?
Yeah, so like do the same cadence and style that you're doing for the first 4 bars. You feel me? Keep it simple. Like I like that cadence that you're doing, and then for the next 4 bars, try to switch it up with something else, but that smooth with that.
I got it.
For sure. Yeah.
How we my ram crew? Don't play. Play it. In the road
go away. When you work, you must get paid. Real bad man, we never stray. Locked in the place we never face. In the road like every day. When you work, you must get paid. We never go away. Real bad man, we never stray. Locked in the place we never face.
Tell them calm down. The money with Jadam. And Sato. And then Nana. Talk about Rascon. One of them boy then Nana. Calm down. Be a big money with Jadam. Talk about Rascon. None of them boy then Nana. Tell them calm down. Be a big money with Jadam. Talk about Rascon. None of them boy then Nana. Let's do it. Yeah. Tell them draw. Tell them big voice. Tell them calm down. Tell them calm down. Be a big money where we draw down. Talk about Rascon. None of them boy then none. Talk about first kiss. Talk about this. Talk about it less. Tell them calm down. Be a big money where we draw down. Talk about Rascon. None of them boy then none. Talk about this. This. Let me swing it from there so Jahsee. Tell them, let me see if I high or low. I just figure something out. Play. Tell them calm down. Be a big money where we draw down. Tell them calm down. Be a big money where we draw. Which one of them? Tell them calm down. Be a big money where we draw down. Tell them calm down. Up there. Up there. Tell them calm down. Be a big money where we draw down. Talk about Rascon. None of them boy then now none. Let me just lay down them couple four there. Find the next four. Same time I'm good. Tell them calm down. Be a big money where we draw down. Talk about Rascon. None of them boy then none. Boy Rascon. None of them boy then none.
Tell them calm down. Be a big money where we draw down. Talk about Rascon. None of them boy then none.
Let me do it over back, brother. Do it over back quickly. I was guessing.
We never go away. Real bad man, we never stray. Locked in the place we never face.
Tell them calm down. Be a big money where we draw down. Talk about Rascon. None of them boy then none. Yeah, I mean I keep the next four after that.
Never stray. Locked in the place we never face. Tell them calm down. Be a big money where we draw down. Talk about Rascon. None of them boy then none.
I go again. I don't like it.
We never go away. Real bad man, we never stray. Locked in the place we never face.
Tell them calm down. Be a big money where we draw down. Talk about Rascon. None of them boy then none.